Steve, what is your motivation for you to actually to see these mobile plans coming out and also for you to actually get the mobile plan?
Yeah, I'm excited to see World Mobile kick off their mobile service in the US to get customers and build the network, etc. For myself personally, so there's two plans in the US, and there's also the global data plan, which is covering at least 60 countries. I believe there'll be more on the way or something. But my motivation is, so where I am and where I spend most of my time in Sydney, Australia, my coverage is very good and quite cheap compared to the sort of cost of US plans. But I'm definitely going to get the data plan for a number of reasons. One being the priority data. There's a good amount of data. And being in the founders, we will be getting a lot of that back anyway. So it's almost like a free service. Obviously, there's a bit of a lockup in time with that, but it essentially comes down to being free, at least for us, or for the first 1,000. But really what's exciting about it is the premier staking and the unlocking of those benefits. So that's the only way you can get to that sort of premier staking is to have a phone plan. And I'm intending over the next coming year to 2 years to start investing in the AirNode infrastructure stuff. And one of those benefits is quite a decent discount on the cost of the AirNodes. And so for me, that's the biggest benefit, because let's say you were to buy one Titan. Titans are going for around 100K USD. And at the top tier, you've got to stake, I think it's 250K. Yeah, there it is.
So we've got it here on screen, yeah.
Yeah, so 250K and 7.5%. So that's like 7,500 US dollars if you're just buying one Titan. And if you look at what the staking return would be on 250K over a year, say, it makes a lot of sense. So one of the big things for me is that if I want to invest in the network, and this seems to be generally what this tiered system is about. Yes, you get a little bit back on your phone plan from 2.5 to 15%, but I think the referral rewards, the boost to referral rewards and the AirNode hardware discounts is really the big thing for me of what makes this premier staking unique and a great opportunity, essentially. So that's the main reason why I'm interested in getting the data plan so that I can access these discounts.